Hi guys, it's Arshad from Tech School of Motoring. Today I'm going to show you when they do the under bonnet checks. So when you go for your test, the examiner will do some checks which are under the bonnets, and I'm going to show you that what you're going to do. So if you come over here, Danish, we have brake fluid here. Okay, so if you show this, they ask you where you're going to pour your brake fluid. That goes in here. And they're going to ask you when would you fill it. There is a min and max sign on that. Okay, so when that's low you fill it. Then the second question is when you going to, where is your antifreeze or coolant. So for this car it's in here. Okay, and when would you fill it? There is a low and full sign on that again. Okay, low and full sign on that again. Then the third question is where would you put the water for the screen or screen washer. That goes in here. Okay, so washing fluid, okay, that goes in here. You will fill it now and then. Okay, I'll check it normally every week and just fill some water in here. Then they ask you where you're going to pour engine oil. Now there are two questions here. Okay, so listen carefully. The first is where you put your engine oil. The engine oil goes in here. Danish, if you show this here, so engine oil goes in here. Okay, then they ask you how you going to check it. Now the full answer is the engine has to be cold, the car has to be on a flat surface. You take this dipstick out. Okay, when you take it out, you wipe it with a tissue or cloth, and then you dip back it in. You take it out again, and the oil has to be between the two markings. Okay, these are the few questions. So brake fluid, antifreeze or coolant, screen washer fluid, engine oil, and how to check engine oil. I hope you have enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.